How to laugh and have fun with women. Live demonstration. I'm gonna show you guys an interaction where I'm hanging out with a woman, and I wanna show you guys like 5 different moments that happen throughout the beginning of this interaction where I'm just having fun and laughing. Right? I think it's an overlooked concept because most men, if you're a career-driven, busy professional, most of the guys that I coach, they work a logical job. You have a career. You've spent the most of your adult life, working and trying to get ahead in life, and you're very in your head. You're very logical. You're very analytical, and because of that, you haven't really built up this skill set of being able to just be fun, be playful, laugh, and by doing that, it will spark a lot more emotion in your interaction. So I want to show you guys a couple different moments just so you could see how I run the beginning of this date that happened. I met this woman on the street. I did a direct approach. I'll link that video down below. You could check that out after this video. You could see how the initial approach went down to get me into a position to go on this date. She did give us consent to show her face on the video, so fortunately enough for you guys, you could also even see what her facial expressions are looking like in these videos. I don't even think we're gonna show your face. Like, I think we'll put the blur over your face if you want.
Oh, no.
No? It's okay? Okay.
It's okay.
Okay, we got the consent, so. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. The very first point is during the very, very beginning of the approach when I go to stop her. She's actually on the phone, and this is a subtle one, but I actually still laugh in this moment. Most guys, they open with a serial killer face. My advice is make yourself actually laugh out loud under your breath. Hey, excuse me. Laugh under your breath before you approach. It creates this natural, warm emotion in your face and your micro expressions when you go up and start the interaction. I actually laugh when I say excuse me, but then as she gets closer, I also actually laugh. We'll play it really quick. You can see how I laugh in this moment. Hey, excuse me 1 second. And this is a small thing, that's not really the main point of this video, but I even do this on a more micro level towards the beginning of the interaction. Okay, now let's actually fast forward to where we're getting onto the date, just to show you guys where my vibe is at. Like, we're getting into the cafe and we're about to walk in. I'm waiting for her to actually just wrap up this phone call that she's having. So this is the first thing, is like we're outside the place and the door just closed and the door won't open back up. And I mean, this is another small one, but like, I'm actually just laughing out loud at the fact that we just kind of got mini locked out for a moment. I'm like, wait, what the fuck? Right? Just a little bit of laughter. And I'm saying this because most of you guys just don't laugh. Like, I know so many of you guys would maybe even get in your head at this point that the door, oh shit, wait, do I need to lead her through the door? Or damn, we're locked out. This thing won't open. Dude, chill out. Laugh out loud, have fun. It's an important part of hanging out with women, is the ability to just laugh. So again, very small thing right here. I know this is like a micro thing, but I even wanted to point this out because there's just so many points in my day, even if I get rejected, I'll even throw up a quick clip. Hey, excuse me. Hi. You speak English?
Yes.
Yeah, I was actually just headed that way, but I saw you walking by and I thought you...
I'm engaged. I'm actually engaged.
Okay, all right, have a good day. This is me getting rejected. She said, oh, I have a fiance. I literally laugh out loud and then I walk away from the interaction laughing. I'm not taking any of this seriously. I'm just here having fun. It's a beautiful day to be alive. Grateful for the opportunity. Smile, enjoy life, and have fun. Put good energy out into the world. It's such an important part of just having a fun life. Okay, but now let's actually get into the interaction. I'll show you guys a couple different ways that I'm also like just laughing. So very first part is we're in the line to order and she's pointing out a couple different things. I'm already just smiling. You need to be able to just smile. It will put you in a good mood. Don't wait for there to be a hilariously funny moment in order to start smiling or start laughing. It doesn't work like that. If that's the only time, that's gonna happen maybe once or twice in a whole interaction. It's more about the small moments where you can stay happy and have little bursts of laughter.
You want to try one?
I don't know, maybe I just have some of yours.
Maybe you can try mine, and if you would like.
And then I get one? She said, do you want that one too? I said, I don't know, maybe you get that one and I'm just gonna try some of yours. Okay, another small little moment, but again, it's important, having laughter. This might sound stupid, but You guys need to understand what happens when you don't do this. This is the opposite of that. Well, yeah, why don't you just order it and then like, maybe I'll try some of yours and do you want some of mine? Okay, yeah, let's have some of yours and then I'll order my own flavor and we could also have some of mine. Yeah, that sounds good. So what do you do for work? Oh, you do that? Okay, interesting. Yeah, so I'm actually an engineer. Yeah, actually I do that. I've been doing that for a long time now. How are you gonna switch look at how formal and serious that vibe is. So some of you guys might be watching this video thinking, oh, this is like a stupid thing. Like you need to laugh. Kyle, you're being a little too giggly. No, you guys are being too logical and too formal and too serious. And as a result, you're too in your head and the girl isn't feeling an emotionally charged conversation with you. All right, let's go into the next example. What do you do? For a party or something?
Well, it's a little complicated because in my last work I say goodbye because in I promise you.
So I just laugh at the way that she told the story because she's talking about her last job and said, so for my last job I looked to the manager and I said bye-bye. That's her way of saying like I quit. And I actually just thought that was funny. And I just laugh out loud. And by me laughing out loud, it pumps up the vibe of the interaction and then she starts laughing more. If I just said, oh, okay, oh, that's funny. If you're teasing the woman, you need to laugh out loud. When you say the teasing joke, you can't say, I don't know if we're gonna get along. You know what's interesting about you? I don't know if I can take you seriously. You guys have a formal, serious vibe, and so it's not funny. When you laugh, the vibe goes up. Learning how to have fun and laugh in an interaction, initially, it's gonna be forced. You might be thinking, well, do I just need to like force myself to laugh? Initially, yes, because you're not even comfortable and confident laughing. And so you barely do it. You need to be able to turn this on whenever you want. And then when anything's kind of remotely funny, guys, by the way, like I am not dying laughing throughout this interaction, but I am having fun. Like if there's one thing that's going on, I'm actually having fun, enjoying the conversation. Let's get into the next one. I'm gonna pay. Let me pay, it's okay. Let me pay.
Okay.
Jesus.
Y esto es para marcarlo. No, this is for another thing.
Okay. What else are you getting? You getting more shit? What else are you buying?
Thank you.
What's that?
This,
Oh, you get the
is
stamps.
mark. Yeah,
okay,
and when
cool.
you arrive
Oh, you got an
to,
extra
I give
stamp?
you one.
Oh, see, look, I got you 2 stamps. Hey! And then this is more just vibing and enjoying the conversation because I was like, okay, look, I'm gonna pay for this. And she went to pull out her thing. I was like, let me pay. And she didn't say anything. I was like, let me pay. It's okay. So a little bit of a laugh, and then I go to pay, and then she gets 2 stamps towards her card, and I was like, oh, okay, you ended up getting 2 stamps out of it. Hey, that's what's up. Let's go. That is a funny vibe. It's not hilarious, but I promise you that these bursts of emotion help contribute to the overall vibe of the interaction. I wanted to show you these clips in particular because none of these things were that funny. Some of these moments weren't even funny at all. Some of you guys might be thinking, oh, this is kind of stupid. No, it's actually pretty important that you bring this in because if you're just too formal and too stale, there's no laughter at all. There's a nice balance to it, okay? Everything I just showed you was over the course of the first 7 minutes of the interaction. There is some serious moments. There is some flirty moments. There is a couple moments where we're laughing. There's a moment of teasing. And now here's another clip that happens 5 minutes later. We're actually sitting on the bench together. Oh, you were born in 1990s.
Yeah, and you?
I'm 1990s as well.
Really? 26 too?
No, 1990. 90.
Okay, now I understand.
Yeah. And we're just talking about being a 90s baby because I told her I'm born in 1990. I'm about to be 36. She was born in 1998, I think, or so. And so we're having a moment that I'm telling her like, oh, you're a 90s baby. And she didn't understand the concept. So I explained it and then I'm just laughing at it and me laughing and her laughing. It builds up the vibe, guys. So if you wanna be able to have fun with women and laugh, First off, you need to get comfortable smiling and you need to get comfortable laughing out loud. That even starts at the open. That happens anytime you're teasing. That happens anytime that there's a little bit of a funny joke. Don't wait for a hilarious moment to finally laugh. Laughter and smiling conveys confidence, friendliness, warmth, good emotions, and most of you guys who are too logical, too serious, too formal, too interview mode, you're not sparking enough emotion in your interactions. Now, obviously, this is just one element. You do need to be able to flirt. You need to be able to display sexual confidence, masculinity, understand body language, structuring out an interaction properly. But if I could look at one missing piece to most of men's interactions, they just don't have fun and they don't laugh. And that's not going to be a fun, enjoyable process. It's also just not going to be as much of a fun and enjoyable life altogether. Like, I had a blast during this day out. I genuinely thought it was a lot of fun. And most of my days, I do find ways to just smile and end up having a little bit of laughter throughout the day. It's actually healthy and it's good for your sanity. All right, so if you want to learn how to have more fun with women, spark more attraction, get better with flirting, your conversation skills, your cold approach, I'd love to help you with that process. Link is down below. Apply to work with me directly. That's all for this video, fellas. Peace out.